so we did add to the page, we add the banner, we can add a button here too, we can do that later. We add something about the industry, a video maybe, and a picture, then we can continue to add more things. However, I don't really like that fonts and the colors here doesn't go with my theme. So I'm gonna go and now we are going to customize the theme. So I'm gonna go appearance, theme, and here in our theme we're gonna click customize. All right, great. Is that the theme? One second. Yeah, this is the theme. Okay. So okay, this is the theme. This is the main page. So theme options. Let's see what we have. Header, search, select header, that's the colors, telephone information, what is this, street info, details, theme header, okay, go back, site identity, Ula Consulting, we're not going to edit the logo yet, colors, the link colors, okay, main text color. Okay, for the main text color, I'm going to add this one because I wanted to kind of make sure that, is all. I think you have to delete it first. Wait, hold on. Here, let's go copy this, copy. We're going to delete it and paste it. Okay, so publish. All right, so background color, page color, the link. I don't like the link color, but it's okay. Image, add the background image option, new image. Okay, background image. We don't need that. Home page settings. Is it set to the correct one? Additional CSS. Theme options. Post, preloader, header grounds, typography. So I want Georgia. Bu- 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 Content fonts Montserrat. And they don't have Georgia. Good source. Okay, let's go do Oswald. Nah. Google. What's oxygen? 50 cents. Uh, let's go do Montserrat here. And let's go do Georgia. They don't have Georgia. Let's go do Oswald. Uh, the condense. Okay, I don't like that one, but 50 cents. I don't like none of them. Railway, let me see railway. They're awful. They don't have more options. I'm going to leave both as Montserrat. Sorry, they don't have too many options here. And we need to change this on top. So, okay. Layout left. Yes, theme footer, theme, a theme by space. Here we're going to put uh, la- con- consulting. Where this, on this side, Ula Consulting. Perfect. Footer background color. Let's go change this. All right, let's see if this is good. Okay, so the color is, let's go take it out. There's someone like this blue. No, not too much either. Let's see. There is something else that can come on. I don't like the blue. Uh, what is this? Vanilla. Okay, how about this one? Let's go try another one. You really had to work before to kind of find a cohesion, a theme, and colors. Okay, I like this one better. All right. So, okay, layout, theme options, site identity. Yes, icon we don't have, colors, link, plain text, colors. Background image, menu, main top menu, view all locations now, homepage settings. Yes, the good. Additional CSS, we don't have any. So let's see. Theme options, header. Okay, so here it is. And the color here has to be, text color is going to be white. Oh, no, it's not white. What is the color we're using? Light gray. This one. F2, F2, F2. Okay. So header text color F2, F2, F2. Let's see. Oh no. Wait, that's not good. Okay. Rate layout list. I know I have the blue color here. The header is going to be the light gray. Okay. The light gray is F2, F2, F2. Okay. So here is going to be F2, F2, F2. Okay. So you see that now we're changing a little bit. And image. So that color, header background color is, what is that color? Header background color. Header text layout. Header background color is white. So header color is this. Let's see. 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 7. No, that's not it. This is, let's see, F2, F2, F2. Add a text color. Nope. Okay, so let's see. Hair color. Okay, here. So that's the text. All right. So which is the background color? All right, and okay, perfect. So this is much better. We do have to change from black to that color, but I already know how is much better. All right, now we need to delete this. So had a theme, select image. No, we need to delete this one. So post insider. No, and I think we're good. Montserrat. So we good so far. Now I'm going to go to all pages, edit, and do we have an image here? No. So go back, and I do need to take that image out of templates. I don't have a templates and parents theme. So I need to find where is this coming from. This is the footer. Now the footer is good. I need to delete this. Okay, so we'll go to the next video. I will delete it and I will continue to customize.